What's up, everybody? It's your boy Shelby, and coming to y'all from a garage for the first time, right? Today I'll be talking about my X Pro. I'm gonna be riding the Cowie later, so you'll see some content on that. But I do want to address this bad boy and why I ain't been riding it, and this is why. Essentially, I was out riding, street riding it actually. Went to hit the front brakes and it just broke. They just broke. So, unfortunately, it wasn't the caliper or the rotor or the part that holds the brake pads per se. It was the mount, which is attached to the shock. So I'm gonna show you. So I was riding there. Right here, where the brakes mount to, it broke. Right there is where it broke, and because of it, this screw was no longer effective. It was kind of dangling down, only being held on by this screw. And it sits in there like such. Bam. So the top bolt broke, which left it dangling like this while I was riding. It was making a clanking noise, so I pulled over on the street. Couldn't figure out what I was gonna do, so I ended up having to take these bolts out, and this was hanging. I wanted to tie it up using the brake line, but I couldn't, so I had to cut the brake line, right? I cut it on the bottom where it attaches, or did I? Hold on. I did not. This is where it attached, right here. I ended up unscrewing this, and I couldn't tie up the line because of how thick it was. It kind of got in the way of the tire. I ended up cutting it in two places. Once right here. Oh, just one place. And I unscrewed it from the top. So that led me to have a few questions, I guess you could say. The first one was, does this bottom part of the shock come off? If so, I could replace just this black piece of metal. It'll be a lot more affordable. Unfortunately, I was wrong. It's not how suspension works. This is attached, even though there's a bolt down there, it doesn't necessarily move anything. So I contacted not Power Sports Max, but X Pro USA, and they said, yep, you're right. It is attached to the fork, and I would have to order a whole new fork. Which led me to my next thought was, can I get better forks? And I think the answer is yes, but I don't think that'll fix my problem. I probably could put the Templar or the new Titan forks in here because they are a little bit better, meaning they have like adjustability, not adjustability, but they come with like bleeders and stuff like that, where this one doesn't. But I don't think that this piece of metal is any stronger on the new Titan models, which means I probably just shouldn't be riding the bike that hard. I should probably ride it within its means, essentially. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reach out to X Pro USA, get another shock, and get this bad boy back up and running. Well, it does run. I can put the wheel on the rider right now, which I have, but to get it operable. That's why I haven't been riding my X Pro, man. That broke about a month ago, and I was doing research and kind of procrastinating, but I made my mind up. Gonna just go with the OEM shock and replace that, and that's what I'm gonna do. So that's why I haven't been riding the X Pro, man, and I really want to get back into it, so I will, and definitely keep you guys posted. Had a viewer asking about my E-Start. I'm guessing his was broken too. Since this is gonna be out of commission for maybe another couple weeks to get that part, I'm actually gonna try to re-splice this wire, which I tried to when I initially broke it. I'm gonna take my time and try to re-splice it now that I have a garage and I have time and I don't have to rush it. And honestly, I hope that just fixes the E-Start. If it does, that'd be sweet. So that's why I've been riding the X Pro. I would love to start it up for you guys, but I'm just gonna leave it on the stand, and hopefully next time you see it, it's either me doing a working on it video or me riding on it. And yeah, man, that's why I haven't been riding the X Pro. I'm gonna be getting on riding my Cowie today. Not gonna be riding it hard because I hurt my knee, but I still want to practice for the races coming up, even if I can't make the soonest one because I hurt my knee. But my knee is healing fast, and like I said, I'm getting out there today, so I will show you the new graphics kit, what went wrong with the install for my first install, and yeah, stay tuned for that. That'll be recorded later today. So till next time, peace out, and that's my X-Pro update. If you guys have had similar issues, let me know for sure in the comments and what you did to fix it. If you guys, anyone out there has put new forks on their X-Pro, let me know what forks you put, were they inverted or not, and are they better? So, and what bike they come off of, you know, most importantly. So yeah, man, got a garage now, definitely an upgrade, and cannot wait to bring you guys more garage content. Definitely can't wait to start working on the bike, except for engine stuff. I'm kind of afraid of that for now. But until next time, peace.